Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your Westpac bank account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up on your screen, type in www.westpac.com.au and hit enter. After the home page of the Westpac Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be directed to another page. On this page you'll have to click on the forgot customer ID or password button located at the bottom of your screen. After you click on the forgot customer ID or password button, you'll be directed to another page where you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to tick one option here and then put in your customer ID here, put in your date of birth here and click on next. After you click on the next button, you'll be further guided to another page which will guide you to reset your password on your Westpac bank account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.